How to add ArcBlock on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add ArcBlock on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right side of your screen where you can see this plus icon. Tap on it. Now tap on search bar and search for ArcBlock. You are looking to add ArcBlock, right? Just take the box. Once you check it, tap on next button. Now hit the import button. As soon as you click on import, ArcBlock will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add ArcBlock on MetaMask application. If you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.